Yes, students, taking on further in the basic introduction only, laws of vector addition. Okay, laws of vector addition में triangle law. अच्छा, basically everyone vector addition में the basic and the only one is triangle law. Okay, triangle law. Triangle law में क्या है? Say A bar is the vector and B bar gets added to it. B bar gets added to it. Okay, so A bar vector and then B bar vector. Please note, where A bar vector ends, there B bar vector begins. Okay, so where one ends, the other one begins. Then we can say triangle law of vector addition can be applied. Okay, and what will be the resultant of these two? The resultant will be the line segment joining these 2 points, the start point and the end point, or the third side of the triangle. Okay, ये दो sides हो गए, तो third side यही होगा. Third side will be this. Okay. The third side represents the resultant of these two, the vector addition of these two, and what should be the direction? Remember ना, मैंने बोला था तुम लोगों को वेक्टर के बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन देते वक्त उसका मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज उसका डायरेक्शन. सो मैग्नीट्यूड आपने दे दिया, ट्राइंगल से मिल जाएगा मेरे को मैग्नीट्यूड, एंड डायरेक्शन क्या होगा? फ्रॉम वेयर यू स्टार्टेड टू वेयर यू एंडेड. दैट मींस दिस विल बी द डायरेक्शन. ये होगा A बार प्लस B बार, A बार प्लस D बार. प्लीज नोट एवरीवन, प्लीज नोट, ये जो मैंने किया है ट्राइंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन अप्लाई किया है, ट्राइंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन के बारे में बात किया है. दिस इज ओनली व्हेन द वेक्टर्स दैट हैव टू बी एडेड आर प्लेस्ड एंड टू एंड. End to end, end to end मतलब क्या? Where one ends, the other one begins. Okay, then I can make use of triangle law of vector addition. Okay, so all of you all, first vector, second vector, third side of the triangle is resultant. Okay, resultant, resultant का मतलब भी बहुत ध्यान से समझना है. Okay, supposing I apply resultant मतलब क्या? Supposing I apply one force this way, so this is that force A bar, force applied to the body, force applied, and another force that I apply this way, okay, that's B bar, okay, on the body. Then resultant का मतलब क्या है? Resultant is that one force which will cause the same net effect on that body. Resultant word जब यूज होता है, then you have to be careful, all of you all. Resultant word जब आ गया, then you have to say the impact, the net impact, the net result is the same. So this one force if applied to the body, this one force if applied to the body will cause the same net impact on the body. Then it is resultant. ठीक है, सो ये बन गया आपका रिजल्टेंट. ठीक है, अच्छा, ऑल सपोजिंग आई हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट टू वेक्टर्स. ओके, सो सपोजिंग आई हैव टू, ये तो अपना A बार प्लस B बार है. A बार प्लस B बार के लिए मैंने ये आपको बताया. नाउ सपोजिंग आई से दिस इज A बार एंड दिस इज B बार, this is B bar, and I have to talk about A bar minus B bar. A bar minus B bar. A bar minus B bar is as good as A bar plus minus B bar. अच्छा, A bar ये हो गया, minus B bar का मतलब क्या हो गया? नेगेटिव ऑफ अ वेक्टर. नेगेटिव ऑफ अ वेक्टर मतलब क्या? सेम वेक्टर, सेम मैग्नीट्यूड बट रिवर्स डायरेक्शन. मतलब वेक्टर हो जाएगा ये. उतना ही मैग्नीट्यूड नीचे, ये डायरेक्शन. सो दिस इज नाउ माइनस B bar. So A bar plus minus B bar. That means this all of you all will be the resultant. The third side of the triangle. Third side of the triangle. This should be A bar plus minus B bar. Or in short, A bar minus B bar. ये बन गया ये. This will be A bar minus B bar. अगर आपको A bar minus B bar के बाद में बात करना है तो ऐसे करो. Okay? अच्छा. One more thing. Immediately, as soon as this triangle thing is done, all of you all, can I say from here we can write down one very important relation. Very, very important relation. Magnitude of A bar plus B bar. Magnitude of A bar plus B bar. That means इसका magnitude must be less than magnitude of A bar plus magnitude of B bar. A bar plus B bar का magnitude must be less than magnitude of A bar plus magnitude of B bar. This is nothing but triangle inequality. Triangle inequality. जिन लोगों को triangle inequality नहीं पता, okay, triangle inequality नहीं पता, in a triangle, sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. We are talking about the lengths now. We are not talking about vectors. We are talking about the lengths. Can you see magnitude here? Okay, lengthwise, sum of any two must always be greater than the third. Then only triangle is formed. Okay, तो ये triangle बना A bar, B bar and A plus B. तो A plus B का magnitude will be less than magnitude of A plus magnitude of B. Okay, अच्छा. Everyone, now that we've talked about this much here, right away, can I say, look, ये A bar मान लें, okay, and ये B bar मान लेते हैं. तो अब ये क्या हो गया? ये हो गया A bar plus B bar. Please note there is no triangle formed here. अब ये मैं थोड़ा हटके आपको बता रहा हूं. ओके, पहले ट्राइंगल बताया मैंने, ट्राइंगल बताया, ट्राइंगल इनइक्वालिटी लिखवाया. नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग एल्स, एक्स्ट्रा. ओके, नॉट रिलेटेड टू ट्राइंगल लॉ ऑफ एक्सट्रेडिशन. ओके, ए बार है, बी बार है, ए बार प्लस बी बार है. कैन आई नाउ से इन दिस केस मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए बार प्लस बी बार इज magnitude of A bar plus magnitude of B bar. These are collinear vectors. Please understand, all of you. 1, 2, 3, they are all collinear. They are having same direction. A bar, B bar, A bar plus B bar. And because they are collinear in the same direction, I understand magnitude wise this relation will be perfect. Perfect. ओके, सेम डायरेक्शन में, इसलिए ये लिख ही सकते हैं. नाउ कैन आई क्लब दीज टू एंड से वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट. ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एनी टू वेक्टर्स A bar and B bar. For any two vectors A bar and B bar, I will say magnitude of A bar plus B bar must be less than or equal to magnitude A plus magnitude B. Okay, magnitude of A bar plus magnitude of B bar. Triangle बना तो less than होगा. अगर कोलिनियर ऐसे हुए तो equal to भी हो सकता है. तो any two vectors हो गया, कोलिनियर हो या नॉन कोलिनियर. ओके, कोलिनियर हो या नॉन कोलिनियर, तो ये relation will always be true. I hope everyone of you is absolutely clear with what we've talked about just now. Write this down in the right sequence, all of you all. Okay, laws of vector addition लिख सकते हैं या addition of vectors लिख सकते हैं as subheading. उसके अंदर triangle law of vector addition. Triangle law of vector addition लिख के पहले आप ये फिगर ड्रॉ करो. ओके, एंड याद रखना यहां पर वेक्टर्स एडेड एंड टू एंड, वेक्टर्स एडेड end to end, end to end. Vectors added end to end. That means where one ends, the other begins. ठीक है, वो लिख के रखो. Then subtraction आ गया. Subtraction will be negative vector का के साथ addition. Negative vector के साथ addition. Then triangle inequality. Okay, triangle inequality से फिर I have given you all extra and then very important addition. ये पूरा लिखो एक बार. This is all about triangle law. Okay, triangle law. Then everyone, chalo. Now we can talk about parallelogram law of vector addition. Parallelogram law of vector addition. Okay, आपने ये पूरा लिख दिया है इसमें assumption. Parallelogram law of vector addition में everyone, you will see I have not rubbed off, okay, this. I have not rubbed off this. ठीक है, because I am going to tell you parallelogram law of vector addition is actually nothing but a modified version of triangle law of vector addition. और कुछ नहीं है वो, और कुछ भी नहीं है वो. Okay, now why am I saying so? Everyone, supposing this b bar vector, supposing this b bar vector, I shift it parallel to itself and get it here. Okay, so b bar vector को shift करके हम इधर लेके आ रहे हैं. Okay, b bar vector को as it is shift करके इधर लेके आया, इधर लेके आया. Okay, shifting a vector parallel to itself ensures that the vector does not change. मतलब अभी भी वो b bar vector है. Okay, it is a vector b bar only. So can I now say ये जो quadrilateral बन गया है, can I say all of you all, this quadrilateral must be a parallelogram. Okay, a pair of opposite sides, congruent and parallel. That means it must be a parallelogram. That's what we've learned in geometry in school, right? A pair of opposite sides being congruent and parallel. Congruent and parallel. That's why b bar and b bar होगा ना ये. Okay. Congruent and parallel means it's a parallelogram. So now what has happened? Now all of you all, let me redraw it again for you here. This is your parallelogram. And a bar vector is this, b bar vector is this. Both of them originate at the same point. Both of them originate at the same point. Okay, so a bar and b bar originate at the same point. Then the diagonal through the common point, is going to be their resultant. A bar plus b bar, a bar plus b bar. ठीक है, पक्का everyone? So shall I say now, everyone, shall I say ये आपका रिजल्टेंट हो गया, हाँ, ये रिजल्टेंट हो गया. अच्छा, ये भी b बार है, ये भी b बार है, ये भी a बार है. Can you see the two vectors are ending at the same point? Ending at the same point. Then also you can apply parallelogram law of vector addition. Okay, so if two vectors originate or terminate at the same point. Okay, at the same point, then you have to use parallelogram law of vector addition. Okay, then you have to use parallelogram law of vector addition. And how will you talk about the resultant? Okay, the diagonal through the common point. The diagonal through the common point must be the resultant, must be the addition. Okay, diagonal through the common point must be the addition, must be the resultant. And how will it be directed? Okay, if both these vectors are directed away from the vertex, then the diagonal, matlab resultant also must be directed away from the vertex. If both the vectors are directed towards the vertex, then the resultant also must be directed towards the vertex. ये मैं explicitly आपको dictate करवा के लिखवा नहीं रहा हूं, लेकिन आपको ये समझना है. ओके, पहले तो आपको ये पॉइंट लिखना ही है. पैरेललोग्राम लॉ ऑफ एक्सट्रेडिशन लेके ट्राइंगल बना के ही पैरेललोग्राम बनाओ पहले, फिर उसका मॉडिफाइड वर्जन ड्रॉ. ओके, two vectors originate or terminate at the same point. That's when you have to apply triangle or parallelogram. And what did I say? Second, how to determine direction of resultant. Direction of resultant. ये कैसे डिटरमाइन करना है? Okay, direction of resultant. If both the vectors are directed away, resultant directed away. If both the vectors are directed towards, resultant directed towards. ऐसा होना चाहिए. Then it is perfectly okay. ये हो गया पैरेललोग्राम लॉ ऑफ एक्सट्रेडिशन. अच्छा, पैरेललोग्राम लॉ ऑफ एक्सट्रेडिशन से के साथ साथ ओके, आई हैव गॉट couple of more things to quickly talk about. Okay, now everyone note, if A bar and B bar are adjacent sides of the parallelogram, okay, of a parallelogram, that means ये ऐसा होगा. पैरेललोग्राम ड्रॉ करते हैं. ओके, पैरेललोग्राम ड्रॉ करते हैं and let us draw. Anyway, let us draw A bar here, B bar here. Okay, this diagonal 100% is A bar plus B bar. ये आपको अभी पता चल गया है. Okay, A bar plus B bar आपको पता चल गया है. That is the diagonal. Now my requirement is ये क्या है, ये डिटरमाइन करना है. The other diagonal. Okay, the other diagonal क्या है, डिटरमाइन करना है. Okay, now other diagonal, let us call this first diagonal all as D1 bar. D1 bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. ये आ गया. D1 bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. ये आ गया. Okay, now I want to define what be D2 bar. D2 bar. Okay, D2 bar क्या है? This is what we have to understand. अच्छा, everyone, to determine D2 bar, can I look at this triangle? ये, look carefully as to what I am showing you. This triangle. Can I look at this triangle? Okay, this triangle, and can I apply triangle law of extradition? Triangle law of extradition. Okay, triangle law of extradition कैसे अप्लाई होगा यहाँ पे? B bar is one vector where it ends, D2 bar takes over. These two vectors are added end to end. These two vectors are added end to end. देखो ध्यान से, B bar ends, D2 starts. These two vectors are added end to end. So resultant must be the third side of the triangle. And what will be the direction? From where you start to where you end. मतलब direction A bar वाला. So can I say therefore B bar plus D2 bar is A bar. Therefore D2 bar is A bar minus B bar. D2 bar is A bar minus B bar. Therefore, what is the most important result that you have to remember? Okay, A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar are the diagonals of a parallelogram are the diagonals of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are A bar and B bar, are A bar and B bar. Very, very important, very important, extremely important point. A bar and B bar are the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, A plus B and A minus. अच्छा, A plus B ये तो है, ओके, ये सब लोग ऐसा ही डायरेक्शन लेगा. अब D2 का कोई आप में से ऐसा भी डायरेक्शन लेगा. अगर उल्टा डायरेक्शन लिया तो ऑब्वियसली ये क्या बनेगा, B bar minus A bar. But it goes without saying that it has to be difference. Okay, A bar and B bar are the adjacent sides. So उनका addition and इनका subtraction definite है. ओके, आप A bar minus B bar करो या B bar minus A bar करो, उसके ऊपर ये डायरेक्शन डिपेंडेंट रहेगा, बट डिफरेंस तो है. सो एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन रिप्रेजेंट डायगोनल्स ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम. ये भी क्लियर हो गया. ओके, सो पैरेललोग्राम लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन लिख के ट्रायंगल बना के ही ये आपको बनाना है. देन ड्रॉ अ फ्रेश पैरेललोग्राम. टू वेक्टर्स ओरिजिनेट और टर्मिनेट एट द सेम पॉइंट. Then you have to apply parallelogram law. Okay, direction of the resultant, दोनों अगर vertex छोड़ रहे हैं, resultant vector will leave the vertex. And दोनों अगर vertex के अंदर आ रहे हैं, तो resultant भी अंदर आएगा. Okay, that's the direction of the resultant. And then note करके make a note of this important point. That's about parallelogram law of vector addition. All that was pertaining to parallelogram law of vector addition. Okay. Then everyone, polygon law of vector addition. चलो, polygon law क्या है? Polygon law क्या है? ये हो गया. Okay. अच्छा, everyone, polygon law vector addition. Now again please observe, understand कि भाई मैंने अभी भी वो बेसिक ट्रायंगल जो बनाया वो रब नहीं किया. ओके, that's because polygon law of vector addition is nothing but an extension of triangle law of vector addition. Okay, it is just an extension of triangle law of vector addition. Why do I say so? Okay, chalo, first vector starts from here to here. A bar, B bar. Third vector C bar. Okay, third vector C bar. Fourth vector D bar. Fourth vector D bar. Fifth vector E bar. Can you understand that all these vectors are placed end to end only? Are placed end to end only. So क्या होगा? A bar plus B bar, resultant A plus B. A plus B plus C bar, resultant will be A plus B plus C. Okay. Then A plus B plus C plus D bar. So resultant will be A plus B plus C plus D. And उसको प्लस ई बार किया तो ये रिजल्टेंट हो जाएगा and this will be the addition of all the 5 vectors. Okay, so actually polygon law of vector addition बोलना जरूरी नहीं है. It is not necessary that someone actually explicitly says ये होता है polygon law of vector addition, because it is triangle law applied multiple number of times. Okay, so all that you will have to do is just write down polygon law of vector addition and draw this figure. Okay, बोलते हैं हम लोग एक्चुअली ऐसा बोलते हैं कि ये मान लो एक वेक्टर है, दूसरा वेक्टर है, तीसरा वेक्टर है. ओके, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. अगर D तक गया, द क्लोजिंग साइड ऑफ द पॉलीगॉन. ओके, इसको बोलते हैं क्लोजिंग साइड ऑफ द पॉलीगॉन the closing side of the polygon is resultant. And once again direction क्या होगा? From where you started to where you ended. So this will be the direction of the resultant. Okay, please remember, अगर हम में से किसी ने डायरेक्शन उल्टा किया, दैट उल्टा वाला जो डायरेक्शन वाला वेक्टर होगा, दैट इज द वेक्टर which will neutralize the effect of all four. You understand what I am talking about, all of you? ये net result है, ये वाला डायरेक्शन। उल्टा डायरेक्शन किया तो that is the vector that will neutralize the effect of all the vectors involved. So that is opposite to that of the resultant, क्योंकि resultant को बैलेंस करने वाला है ना उल्टा। So उल्टा डायरेक्शन दिखा दिया, that one vector will balance out all these vectors, all these forces, if they were forces. ठीक है? So this is polygon law of vector addition. अच्छा, ये दोनों तो मैं सिर्फ आपको बता रहा हूं, इसको प्रूव करने की जरूरत नहीं है। कम्यूटेटिव लॉ, कम्यूटेटिव वर्ड, कम्यूटेटिव आपने बहुत बार सुना है ऑलरेडी। Commutative law of vector addition, a bar plus b bar is b bar plus a bar. ये सिर्फ लिख के रखो, okay? And associative property of vector addition will be a bar plus b bar add c bar to that is the same as a bar plus b bar plus c bar. That means अगर तीन वेक्टर्स आपको ऐड करने हैं, अगर तीन वेक्टर्स आपको ऐड करने हैं तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप कोई दो पहले कर लो एंड देन ऐड द थर्ड टू इट, चलेगा। इट विल मेक नो डिफरेंस व्हाटसोएवर टू द फाइनल रिजल्ट। ठीक है, ये जरा ये भी लिख के